Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project here for the Cricut collab with Poetspice, Cricut silhouette collab with Poetspice, and the theme this month was blue and tea. So I had to pull out some blue paper real quick and make a tea project. So I just made two different types of cards, and I used for this first one, all this is just some blue cardstock, and I hadn't even go into my decorative papers. I just put out some blue cardstock because it's really hard sometimes to find with a crafter blue paper. But anyway, so this is on the Wild Card 2, and I made this card. Now I made this card. Actually, I did this whole cartridge years ago when I first started my channel on all the different cards up here, and this was one of them with the tea. And I did Wink of Stella inside of the tea right here and right here, which you probably can't see the shimmer. And this card is, I think, a 5.5, 6, 7 inch. So 7 inches by almost, well, 4 7/8. So, ooh, what I got in my hand, ink, and I just got it all on the card. Smart Dawn. Anyway, so now I just messed that up. Anyway, but you can get the gist of it. So this is my teacup, and that's the steam. You know, I'll bring you some tea. And then this one is from Wild Decor More, and the sentiment is from Wild Card 2 as well. Actually, this sentiment typically goes with this card, but I just switched it up. I want to see how it look with this top front card with the, whatever you want to call it, the top of the card has the teapot with the steam coming out. And then I just backed the inside of it with some white. So, but you would see that. You could actually get another piece of white, which is probably what I should have did, and glued it on top, the one on the back. Didn't think of it after I started the video that I should have did that, but anyway, you get the gist of it. You could just put another white sheet across the back, and that person wouldn't even know it. In fact, you could emboss that piece and put it across there, because you really wouldn't want to show that. School bus is going by. But anyway, so this says, "You're my cup of tea," and I just layered it in 3 shades of blue. I would, if I was giving this to somebody, which I'm not, but if I was giving this to somebody, I would cut this out twice and fuss to cut this and back this. Even though this is supposed to be 110 pound, I would be concerned about these little pieces right here. So I would definitely back that. So thank you for watching. I did want to mention that we do the Cricut collab every month for this year for 2019, third Thursday of every single month. There's a group of us, and I will link the collaborators below. And I hope that you will check out their channels and subscribe and like the channels. They're here to encourage you to use your Cricut or your silhouette. And of course I did it because I want to make sure at least I use my machine at least once a month minimum, you know, if not more. But the only way to really get to know your machine is to go ahead and try to use them and try to do different projects. So I like the themes that is encouraging us to try something outside of the box. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.